Is the best time to upload your YouTube videos early in the morning, late at night, midday, during the week or weekends? Ideally, you want to get a high view velocity on your videos when you first upload them, which means you want to get a ton of views right out of the gate. In this video, you'll discover the best day and the best time to upload your YouTube videos in 2021 and beyond so you can get more views. When are most of your viewers on YouTube? Click on the Audience tab in YouTube Analytics and look at the purple graph. The light purple lines refer to some of your viewers being on YouTube. The darker purple lines refers to many of your viewers are on YouTube. The even darker purple lines say that very many of your viewers are on YouTube. So let's first look at the weekdays. So on Monday, the darkest purple line starts right on 10 o'clock through to 1 o'clock. Tuesday, it's 9 till 12, and Wednesday from 10 to 12. Thursday from 9 to 12. Friday from 9 to 12. So during the week, the best times for me to upload my videos is between 9 and 12. Let's take a look at the weekend. On Saturday, it's 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And on Sunday, it's 11 o'clock, a little bit later than Saturday, to 12 o'clock. So on the weekends, the best time to upload my videos is between 10 and 12 on Saturdays and between 11 and 12 on Sundays. Let me ask you a question. What time have you found is the best time to upload your video? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Another thing to keep in mind is which countries are most of your audience watching from. If you scroll down to top geographies, you can see that most of my audience comes from United States. Then it's from India, United Kingdom, Philippines, and Canada. If I click see more, I can get even more details. Most of my views come from United States, the highest average view durations from United States, and the highest number of watch time hours is from United States. Second is India. If you want to get a more detailed view of which states within the United States have the highest number of viewers, then click on United States. The states where I have the highest number of viewers include California, Texas, Florida, New York, Illinois, Georgia, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. According to the purple graph, the best time to upload my videos during the week is around 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Since most viewers are watching my videos on California time, I probably want to upload my videos 3 hours before Eastern Daylight Time because I'm situated on the East Coast. Ideally, you want to upload your videos 1 or 2 hours before the peak times to allow YouTube to give time to send out notifications to your viewers. If you live in the United Kingdom, but most of your viewers come from the United States, make sure you choose the best time to upload your videos. TubeBuddy is another great tool to get the best recommendations for upload times for your regular videos and live stream videos. If you click on the TubeBuddy icon at the top here, click Best Time to Publish. Under the purple graph, it says TubeBuddy Recommendations, Upload Time, and Live Stream Time. Under Upload Time, if we click on Weekly, it says based on our analysis, if you were to upload for live streams once per week, this would be the ideal time in order to maximize exposure to your audience. So that would be 10 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time. If I click on Daily, it says based on our analysis, the following hours would be the ideal time to post for each day of the week in order to maximize exposure to your audience. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, 10 o'clock is the best time. Wednesday and Thursday, 9 o'clock is the best time. Friday, 10 o'clock is the best time. Then Saturday, 9 o'clock. The first hour that your video is live is the most critical. The next critical hour is your next hour. If I click on live stream time, then Friday, 10 o'clock Eastern Daylight Time is the best. That's if I was uploading only once per week. And for daily, I've got Sunday, 11 o'clock, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 o'clock, and Saturday, 11 o'clock. I'll place a link to TubeBuddy in the description below this video. Ultimately, consistency is more important than anything. So if you stick to a regular upload schedule like once or twice a week, then your viewers will know when you have new content that's uploaded to your channel. Look at these 4 other factors to help you understand your audience. Returning viewers are viewers who have already watched your channel previously and return to watch in the selected time period. New viewers are viewers that have discovered your channel for the first time in the selected period. As you can see, my channel is attracting many more new viewers than returning viewers, so I probably want to create more content for my returning viewers. Other channels your audience watches. If there's content from these channels that your audience is watching that is getting a lot of views and a lot of subscribers, you might want to do the same for your channel. If you get stuck for ideas, it's always good to look at your competitors' channels where your audience is hanging out to see which videos are taking off. Perhaps you can approach the topic from a different angle and put your own unique slant to it. Other videos that your audience watched. If there's videos on other people's channels that are getting a lot of traffic that your audience is watching also, then you might want to make similar videos on that content. Age and gender. The more you know about your target audience, the easier it'll be to create the right content for them. Another factor that affects your channel growth is how often you upload a new video. Try to upload at least one new video a week, the more the better. When you first upload your video, set the visibility setting to unlisted so you can check for ad suitability and copyright claims. You should also upload a transcript so the hard of hearing or people who have the sound turned off can read the captions below your video. After you've finished optimizing your video, you can schedule it for the day and time that you wish to publish it. Watch the video on the screen right now on how to correctly upload YouTube videos.